Have you ever had any difficulties while you are working on your development project? If so, then this method is great for you. CPE, which stands for Collaborative Programming Environment, is here to help your team to develop project easier and in a more convenient way.
Let's have a look at the traditional collaboration for working on a team project. Consider that you have a programmer team spread around Australia. You are using a Microsoft operating system on your computer. You are developing your program on C++ in a Unix environment. You are connected to the Unix environment via Telnet. You are developing your code with a code editor. So once you finish your code, you have to upload your file to your shared folder. Then you will have to compile to see if your source code is working fine. Probably you will get a few errors and warning. Googling them up won't save you time. Meanwhile, your teammates already finished their part and waiting for you to email them. They wonder what took so long, but they cannot reach your source code. How does CPE works? Four web services are being used for CPE. Facebook is used as group assigning team members, as well as notifying them any course of actions taken from others. Cloud9 is used as code editor, CodePad as a code compiler and interpreter. Also Stack Overflow as code error solution. So you have a Facebook account and you either join a group or create a new one. That particular group has made an account for Cloud9. With Cloud9, you can edit your code conveniently, since it supports indentation, highlighting, and any other programming features. Once you are done with the code, CodePad will do the compiling with your chosen programming language. Any compiling result will generate a link from CodePad. Upon successful compilation, it will lock the file to keep it safe, as well as notifying other members. If there are any errors, Stack Overflow will search for possible solutions. It will allow users to modify their code if any solution found, and it goes all over the process again. Compared to traditional collaboration methods, CPE offers you a built-in compiler and interpreter. There is no need to install an additional operating system or compiler. Moreover, the compiling and interpreting process is done in the cloud. That makes process power independently from compiling, so no need to use extra resources for compiling and interpreting. Once the collaboration group has been created, no extra authorization is required. All members can see each other's source codes. That way, everyone can keep track of what everyone else is doing, how much of a task is completed. Also, this helps the tester to check everything before the implementation, so code styling can be ensured to be quality one. If there's an error or warning in the source code, CPE automatically searches for possible solutions. Once it is found, the user redirected to the code editor with the possible solution. Apart from code solution, enhanced collaboration enables all users to chat with your members via Facebook Messenger, so that a user might ask another user to fix the error. By using CPE, emailing source is not required. Moreover, after the successful compilation, the coder can simply notify everyone in the group with one click. The successful compilation will protect the code and create a new one. This will prevent loss of any working code. CPE is a web-based method, so every data is stored in the cloud. Every process for compiling and interpreting is done in the cloud. Therefore, CPE is not limited by processing powers or operating system requirements that make CPE to be able to access by anything with a web browser, such as mobile phones and tablets. So, collaboration can be done anywhere and anytime. Although CPE is a great collaboration tool, we would like to remind you a few current issues about it. Reliability. Since it is purely cloud-based, connection stability is required for the method to run. Without the internet access, these services will not be fully functional. Code error solution might not be able to find solutions. It is possible that some errors generated might not be recognized by Stack Overflow, thus leaving the user with vague situation. However, the user can always ask team members to fix a problem. Projects developed by CPE should not be proprietary software due to legal issues. Because once you create your account with Cloud9, your files will be read-only to everyone. In order to prevent and develop a proprietary software, Cloud9 offers a premium account for $12 per month, which can be chosen at the registration step, so that your files will be private and cannot be seen by anyone else than your group. We are using CodePad web service as the compiler or interpreter, and they do not support every language. However, the language support will be increased in the future.
In conclusion, collaborative programming environment enhances developers to collaborate efficiently, and it is a great tool to save time and effort.